Hello everyone, my name is Sam and I'm a trader and risk manager at EA Automatic. Our company has developed a trading robot which suits both beginners and professional traders. Today, robots are taking over the forex market. Traders don't even realize that they are in losing trades while robots are making profits thanks to artificial intelligence and advanced algorithms that enter trades faster than you can blink. You can stare at charts all day while a trader using a robot lives his best life. Over the past month, our robot has earned $5,234. Today I'm going to show you how our robot trades, reveal the real settings of our robot and explain the 3 stages to earning passive income using the trading robot. If this sounds interesting, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and let's go! I'll tell you how to start using this fantastic tool. The first step is to download and install the robot. Just send a message to our manager saying you want the robot. After a few formal questions, they'll help you to set it up. And the important part is that for new subscribers, we offer the robot for free for 2 weeks, so you can get familiar with it and see your results in real time. You can find additional helpful information about the robot on our Telegram channel, the link is in the description. Over the past month, our subscribers have sent us hundreds of reviews from different countries. Thank you to everyone who shares their success with us. You also don't need to worry about brokers. We'll recommend the best one for your region and help with registration and installing MT4 to ensure the robot works correctly. Each client receives a personal manager who will assist you along the way. Now, let's proceed to install the robot. So, how do we install our robot? We see the robot in the zip file we sent you, right-click on it, select Extract All, and click Extract. Now we have a folder with our robot. Go into it and find the MT4 installer. Install it first. In this case, it's already installed on our system, so we won't change anything here. Just open your MT4. Here's our MT4. By the way, we're already logged into an account where the robot is trading. For example, starting from September 30th, within just 5 days, the robot has already earned nearly $500, which is an excellent result. Let's move forward. As we can see, there are only 2 default robots. How do we add our own? Go to File, open Data folder, MQL4 and Experts. Now drag and drop the robot from the folder we just extracted. Here it is, the X4 Life. Done. Now we just need to refresh the window. Refreshed. And we see our robot has appeared. How do we add and configure it? Open any chart, for example USD Canadian dollar, and simply drag the robot onto the chart. Step 2 for passive income is setting up the robot. I want to let you know that once you purchase the robot, you will become part of a private Telegram channel where we share the latest settings for the robot and valuable market information. So, how to configure the robot? Here we see our settings. It's important to check the L-Lift trading under the Common tab. Also, to add our settings, click Load, go to the desktop, choose the folder we extracted earlier and select the settings file. When you open it, you will see 2 empty fields, per balance and license key. In per balance, enter your account balance, for example $103,000, like this account. For the license key, use the one I provided during purchase, and that's it, you're set. However, keep in mind that with large accounts, the lot size will be small and you may not feel much profit immediately. Set the lot size according to the table provided in the installation instructions. Step 3. How to launch the robot. Make sure the auto trading icon is green. If it's red, click it to turn it green. Since today is the weekend, the trading won't start, but it will begin on Monday. Let me show you our settings. Please note that these settings won't work forever. They change every 1 to 2 weeks depending on the market situation. Stay updated through our private Telegram channel for all the latest information on settings and the robot. Alright, let's go over the settings. The settings come in this form, except there is no license key inserted. You'll need to enter it yourself. Start lot buy and start lot sell. Why did we separate them? Because as we can see, the robot is currently trading with these settings. We saw a bull market forming over a couple of days from the 3rd to the 5th of September. So during this time you could have increased your buy entry to grab more money. However, since we know you don't want to monitor the charts, we recommended using equal values to avoid unnecessary risks. We set per balance based on your account balance. For example, if you have $10,000, like here, you set $10,000. However, if your initial deposit is good enough, you can increase your starting lot size according to the table we provide with the robot. In this case, for $10,000, it makes sense to use about 0.06. With these settings, the robot will perform optimally. Then Mutual is responsible for increasing the lot size as the position trends. For example, as seen here, the chart is going down and buy orders are starting to open. You can see lot sizes of 0.27, 0.32, 0.39 and so on. Surely the lot size here is slightly larger for demonstration purposes, so you can observe the robot's operation more clearly. Thus, we see that the lot size increases by around 20% each time, so 20% of 0.27 is 0.05, and the lot size grew by 0.05 and so on. It will continue to grow according to this scheme. Again, our robot is designed for reversals, and it means that it seeks out these turning points and profits from them. So when the chart moves in one direction, the robot sees based on the moving average and lot size indicators that it can ramp up. In this case, it will open new trades and decreasing distance. Here it started at 250 and it uses the Mutual to step to determine the next trade's distance, which increases by 10% to 275, then 300 and so on. Max lot is a critical risk management value. You'll need a table for this. It outlines the maximum lot size for your balance. For example, with a 10,000 balance, a reasonable maximum lot size would be around 0.8. Mutual step defines the distance between trades in one direction and determines its increase. Take profit pips sets the distance from the trade where the take profit will be placed, how quickly you want to secure your profit. We don't recommend setting it too low because that will reduce your profit. 70 pips is an ideal value for the three charts we suggest. Drawdown for stop. This is another risk management setting. At a certain percentage drawdown, shown here as a profit in percents, the robot will stop opening new trades in that direction but will continue trading the already open ones. Max order is the maximum number of orders the robot is allowed to open while searching for the reversal point. Max spread, as we know, the spread is the difference between the bid and ask prices, basically the broker's commission. We set the max to 30 to avoid losing profit. Size font is the size of our font in the info window. We also have timetable, which sets the time during which trading occurs. It means that thanks to that values we exclude periods when slippage is highest. As it takes time to switch from one day to another, there can be a slippage on the market due to the internal processes. It means that we open the trade with less desirable price. Finally, the license key is the key I provide when you purchase the robot. You enter it here and the robot starts trading. I can show it to you because it won't work for your accounts. It's tied strictly to the account for which you configure the robot, and that's basically it. As you can see, the robot has been running since September 1st. Let's take a look. Since September 1st, the robot has been trading and made almost a 12% profit in just under 2 weeks. That's an excellent result. So you can expect to earn 30 to 50 profit per month depending on the market conditions. So, as we can see, our robot stopped its trading. This month, the profit is already around 55%, which means we are closing the month with quite a good figure. However, it's not the maximum because the conditions were quite challenging for our robot. As we can see on the chart, the profit dropped several times, but we steadily progressed toward our goal. And now we can conclude our trading. The profit is $5,234 or 52%. That's how I've explained to you how to stay up to date and earn money using a trading robot. It's not complicated at all, but if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments or reach out to our manager. There is a link in the description. That's it for today. Subscribe to the channel and hit the like button below this video. See you next week.